First thing you got to do for integral of sine to the 4 is change it to sine squared squared, and that's because we're going to use a formula for what sine squared is. Now, sine squared u is equal to 1/2 of 1 minus cosine 2u. So sine squared x is equal to all that just with x instead of u. And then we still have that squared. So at that point, you can distribute that square to the 1/2, turning it into 1/4, and also to the parentheses. So then you have this squared. Then all you want to do at that point is take your 1/4 right here, throw it to the outside, make that 1/4 right there. And then also change 1 minus cosine squared into this if you FOIL it out. Now, at that point, we also want to use a formula for cosine squared of 2x. Now, if you have cosine squared of u, it's equal to this. But if you instead have cosine squared of 2x, then 2x becomes your u. So you get to replace this u with 2x. And then you have 2 times 2x, which becomes 4x. So that means I want to take this whole thing and pop it in where I see cosine squared of 2x. So there you go. It is now easy peasy. We are taking the integral of the 1. That'll get you x. Then you want to take the integral of cosine 2x. That'll be sine 2x over the derivative of 2x, which is 2. And don't forget that there's a 2 right there. That 2 actually will cancel out for you, getting you to that next part. But then lastly, we still need the integral of 1/2 blah, blah, blah. So I can move the integral sign over here. That's all I did right there. And then I actually took the integral of 1, that's x, and integral of cosine 4x, sine 4x over 4. At this point, all it is a little bit of distributing and adding like terms, and we is done. Thank you for your attention.